Happy New Year, everyone. My name is Chris Howe, and I'm 7 pounds heavier than the last time that you guys saw me. But we have some big news for you. I don't know if you've been following Lizzie's vlogs, but we bought a new house. We are moving, which means we're getting rid of the office. Hence the title of this video. But first, if you haven't seen Lizzie's videos, do you guys want to see a tour of the place? Let's do it. Okay, so this is our living space. One thing I really like is that we have a record player now. I collected records when I was like super young as a teenager, and now I can actually listen to them again. So excited about that. Let's head downstairs. This is our guest room slash like multi-purpose room slash Chris rides his bike with his fancy rainbow shoes that I thought were black on Amazon, but I made a wrong mistake anyways. But most important, we have a garage. Oh, I have big plans for the space, but real quick, Jeep's gonna go there, wall units right here, Sea-Doo right here. I'm trying to see if I can stack Lizzie's motorcycle on top of it for even more space. We have a garage. I think this will also be a shooting space at some point, but right now, with this lighting, not gonna happen. Back upstairs, main floor, kitchen table. This was the table that was in the office. This was so heavy. Moving on. This is the kitchen. Fun fact, I actually really love to cook, so I'm super stoked to have this space. All right. This floor is going to be dedicated to our offices. So let's start with my office. Obviously a big mess right now because it's just storage and we're moving our office to here, but this will be my space. This room used to be green. We painted it over the holidays, but essentially this will be our new spot where Lucas and I create videos. So get used to seeing this room quite a bit. Moving on to Lizzie's room. There's a bathroom in there, but it's not important. Laundry room, you get it, it's laundry room. All right, Lizzie's room. We just started painting it. I have Chantilly lace in my room and she has decorator's white. That's mainly because she gets more like morning light and it's warmer, and so we put a cooler white in here. Is this important? Do we care? Probably not. Let's move on. Lizzie's office. All right, and last room, our bedroom. There's a lot of flights of stairs in here, which is probably good for my health. All right, welcome to our bedroom. This is where we sleep. That's a place where we might go and have tea in the morning. So we started a little tea station that will develop eventually. So this area, we don't know what to do with it, but we brought a kettle upstairs and we'll store tea there. More storage, shoes, other stuff. And then last room. I don't even know the lights in here. How do they work? This, that, nope, this. Got it. All right, and this is our bathroom. We went from 800 square feet in our condo to over 2,000 square feet. Having the space is huge, especially since we'll be running our business out of this house as well. So yeah, that's the quick tour of the place. If you want to see an empty house tour, Lizzie has a video up here. If you want to see me yell at security guards while we're moving, you can click the link up here as well. Welcome to the new house. Welcome to the new set, and welcome to 2021, where a lot of new things are happening. Okay, this is obviously a super big change in our lives. We had 2 properties, our condo and our office, and we consolidated them into one, which is a ton of moving, a lot of stress, and a lot to take on, especially during everything that's going on in the world right now. But the reasons we did it, I did like a cost analysis of how much it costs for us to have the office and the condo, maintenance fees, taxes, all this stuff. And then I did a cost analysis of how much it would cost to move into a townhouse. And the difference in price between this ongoing monthly cost and this ongoing monthly cost was $250 each. So Lizzie and I could essentially be getting more value, buy a property, live there, have our offices again, 2 separate office spaces for only $250 more each a month. We talked about it and we were like, let's do that. I just talked a lot about like numbers and investments and all that other stuff. You guys interested in this? Do you want like a more in-depth breakdown, like actual numbers of what it costs for us to have the condo and the office, and then how much it costs for us to live in this place? That's something you're interested in? Let me know. It's the new year. I'm getting ideas for content, so let me know in the comments if that's something you would like be interested in hearing. Exactly 1 year ago, Lizzie and I made a video talking about how excited we were to have an office and how we were going from our little 99 square foot office in our condo to 500 square feet, and we'd be sharing an office together. After 1 year and during this whole pandemic thing, we've come to a few conclusions about the office. Is sharing an office space with another YouTuber just doesn't work. When like somebody's out there filming a video and creating, the other people have to just be like, so quiet, don't make a sound, don't do anything. And you're just like typing very quietly. You're like, Lucas, what are your thoughts about sharing an office with someone?
When you're trying to edit and everybody else is trying to shoot and talk and plan, it makes it like 25 times harder to remember what you just edited. It's a struggle.
I would say concentration levels were very low sometimes. So one of the things that we're solving by moving here is that we're gonna have 2 separate offices. Lizzie has her space, she can close the door and be as loud as she wants, and I have my space. So that's now solved to a degree. I'm sure we'll hear each other, but at least it's solved by getting this townhouse. Reason 2, leaving the office. Our neighbors are very loud and also just very awkward. So our neighbor at the office, he also has a video production company. He came to the door one day, and by the way, he wears a cowboy hat and really tiny short shorts. Like, that's his thing. So he knocks on the door and he's like, "Hey, I'm your neighbor. I thought it'd be great to know each other. What do you guys do?" And we're like, "We're YouTubers." And he's like, "Oh, you guys make websites." We're like, I guess there's a website URL that goes to YouTube, but we have a video production company. Like, you know when you go to YouTube, you look up a video and you see someone make a video? That's what we do. We're YouTubers. He's like, website developers. So he just did not understand. And then the other person on the other side mixes for television. So there's always just loud explosions going on. So it's a very loud environment. And the third thing is paying rent is always expensive. I know it was still cheap rent, but you're still paying rent. And I'd rather that go towards our equity and into our house and paying off our mortgage rather than paying off someone else's mortgage. So that was the theory behind that. Also, you may have noticed something behind me. All right, we would like to introduce our new fur baby. This is Baby Bear. Fun story, we thought this was a boy when we got her. Turns out it's a her. And she was misgendered as a baby because apparently cats can be misgendered. It's a very common thing all the time. So now, now she's a girl. And no matter the gender, we love her. She is the best. Other than when she wakes me up at 4 in the morning to lick my face. Got a cute baby, but my face smells. Do you want to say bye to everybody? Nope. That means bye and uncomfortable. Do you want to see the most pleasing thing in the world? If you guys are into organization, then you'll enjoy this. Look at this case. We're gonna stack it with lenses. This is our lens case. I don't use it that often, but when I do, it's so pleasing to just slide. Oh, perfect. Another thing that I learned in 2020 is I want to develop more of my own products. So some things that we'll be working on in the next little while are more preset packs, LUTs, courses. So if there's any specific course that you would like me to create, please let me know. I am all ears, all of them, including Lucas's ears. That's 4 ears. All right, these lenses look nice and cozy. We are done with that. Other 2021 goal, do not lose camera bags and lenses. That's a big plan. Another thing that we're doing in 2021, I am challenging myself to post on Instagram every single day for 30 days. The real goal is to post every single day for a year. I think it's smart to have manageable goals. So rather than being like, I'm gonna post every single day and then not hit that goal, let's get to 30, then let's get to like 3 months, and then let's try to go the whole year. We're gonna try for 30 days on Instagram. So if you guys wanna go check out the posts, I'm at day 4 right now. 4 out of 30, which I'm pretty proud of. Lizzie and I have to be out of the studio in 10 days. And obviously we're starting to feel very nostalgic about this place. I think offices are important for a couple of reasons. One, it means that being YouTubers was important enough to have a space. We never thought that we would ever be full-time YouTubers. To even say that out loud still feels strange. This place was special. Between Lizzie and I, we made over 100 pieces of content over 365 days. I'm really glad that this place is documented. I think it will be nice to look back one day and be like, we had an office space. We had this spot that we shared, and I'll feel nostalgic over the bowling alley floors, the sounds of neighbors doing their thing, and the smell of Subway. I feel like every time I smell Subway now, I'm gonna be triggered to be like, oh, the stress of YouTube. But the reality is I'll miss this place. It was special. 480 square feet, dedicated to be creative every single day. We're moving on, we're growing, we're gonna have our own separate spaces now, and that's something else that's special. But to look back at this place, this was a great home for this YouTube channel, and I'm stoked that we had it. So I guess this is goodbye to this space. We have to start really being serious about moving out of here and then get serious about setting up the new space, which is a lot of work. So if I'm a little slow at uploading, just know I'm preparing a space so I can continue making stuff for you guys. I love you guys. I love you. 4 weird walls that used to be a Russian telemarketing company, and that was once a YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching. I got in trouble for not doing an ASMR outro last time. So many comments, so let's do it. I'm gonna tell you my Subway recipe. This is what I ate so often. It's the Tuesday special. It's the BMT. So on Tuesdays I would be extra happy. Oh, it's Tuesday today. Oh yeah. I get Subway. I get the Italian BMT with lettuce, tomato, cucumber, sub sauce, and just a little bit of hot sauce. If they put too much, I'd be like, this is too much hot sauce. So only a little bit. That's the Chris House special, but it's also just a normal special. So yeah, that's information you didn't need, but now you have it. So if you ever want to make me happy, bring me a sub. That's my order. Bye. Is this the carpet you want? This piece?